Viewers, welcome to you all, and in this video I am going to show you how to make your TikTok liked video private. It's pretty easy and simple. So let's begin our video. And guys, before starting our video, I would like to request you that if you are new here, please subscribe my channel, also bell button. So guys, first of all, you need to launch on your TikTok application. And after launch on your TikTok application, you need to tap on your profile on the bottom right corner, me option. Here you can see, so just tap it, and after that you get an option on the top right corner. Here you can see three dot option, so tap it, three dot, and after that guys, you can find a option, privacy option. Here you can see privacy, so you need to open this. And after that, what should you do? Just scroll down, and then there you can see a option, who can view your liked video. There have a option, you can see who can view your liked videos. Just tap it, and then you need to select only me. There have a option, just tap it. You need to select only me. That's it. Now your TikTok liked video already private. So guys, in this way you can make your TikTok liked video private. So hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone for watching this video.